Welcome to Liv at MB, your dream home in Mountbatten, Singapore's prime District 15. Enjoy contemporary lifestyle nestled in nostalgic serenity by the coast. Singapore is a bustling, vibrant, ultra-modern hub of Asia with its strong economy and stable government. The Garden City is a safe home for many cultures living in harmony. The financial hub at the heart of Singapore boasts the world's leading names in business and finance. Its spectacular views of the imposing skyline are bound to impress businessmen and travelers alike. The CBD is a sought-after district for unrivaled entertainment. Enjoy the pinnacle of urban sophistication in a miraculously transformed island, complete with exquisite art exhibitions from around the world, luxurious dining options, laid-back waterfront cafes, skyscrapers, and high-end fashion labels. Now let us take you home to Mountbatten, located in District 15, one of Singapore's most coveted addresses. Home to millionaires' bungalows, Mountbatten is a quintessential residential estate with distinctive two-storied bungalows and houses. Mountbatten Estate boasts top prestigious schools of immense repute in its quaint neighborhood, as well as malls and other modern facilities. Take a leisurely walk down the East Coast Park to enjoy the invigorating breeze, or hit the cycling trail to Changi or Marina Barra. Reach anywhere across the little red dot on one of the world's best and well-connected transport systems. The Mountbatten MRT along the Circle Line is nearby, as is the Katong Park MRT along the Thomson East Coast Line, which is just 3 minutes walk away and will be ready to serve you by 2024. With the attractions and activities of the seaside close by, you will be surrounded by every amenity befitting the lifestyle you and your family have dreamed of. At Liv at MB, the address in Mountbatten.